Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find device admin applications permissions in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for these options, how to find them. We need to go to settings, then we are looking for applications menu. Next at the top right we have a 3-button menu and special access. And at the top we have device admin apps. We have two at the moment, and when we try to activate one, we have a pop-up window with a few informations here. Activate, and now this app is turned on, as you can see. No need to save, we can safely back out to our home screen, and that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.